How to perform wudu.
You begin by saying, I am making an intention or Niyah to make wudu with this pure water. Bismillah.
I am making a Niyah to make wudu with this pure water. Bismillah.
Then you wash your hands 3 times.
Wash my hands. Twice? No. I just remembered. You said 3 times.
Next, you wash your mouth and nose 3 times each.
How do you wash your nose?
You cup some water in your hand and then rinse the inside of your nose. Then blow out the water. Yup, just like that. You're doing great.
Thank you. Do you understand how to do it too?
Now you wash your face 3 times.
Come on, friends. Let's wash our faces 3 times.
Next, you wash your right arm up to your elbow 3 times. You repeat this step with your left arm.
The right? Oh, 3 times. Then the left. Also 3 times.
It looks like the water didn't reach your elbow.
Is this really necessary? Ooh, the water is cold.
Yes, my friend.
Oh, okay. I guess I should do it again. The right way this time.
Now you wipe a small part of your hair. Then you wipe your ears. Now that you are done, you need to wash your right foot all the way up to your ankle 3 times. You repeat this with your left foot. Here, I'll help you. Now that we are done, you have to say, Ashhadu anna la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammad Rasulullah.
Please subscribe and follow us. Learn more and enjoy more when you visit our website and download our program, Al Bayan.
Subscribe to our channel, enjoy our company, and download Al Bayan.